In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for hotels using Booking.com, making sure your stay includes breakfast so you can start your day off right. First things first, you want to open up your web browser and navigate to Booking.com. This platform is widely recognized for its extensive range of accommodations, making it a great choice for finding exactly what you're looking for. Once you're on the site, let's get started by entering your desired destination in the search bar. This might be the city you plan to visit or a particular neighborhood you have in mind. Then, make sure to choose your travel dates. Accurate dates are essential because they significantly impact the availability and price of accommodations. Additionally, specify the number of guests who will be staying. This step is crucial to ensure that the search results provide options that can comfortably accommodate your entire party. Once you've entered all the necessary details, go ahead and hit the Search button. This action will promptly take you to the search results page, where you'll see an array of accommodation options, from hotels to hostels, tailored to the criteria you've just entered. Now, these options could be extensive and a bit overwhelming, so to make your decision process easier, we're going to focus on properties that offer breakfast, an added convenience that not only saves you time, but often reduces daily meal costs. To do this, direct your attention to the filter sidebar. This is typically located on the left side of the screen. The filters here are designed to help you hone in on accommodations that fit your specific needs. Among these filter options, you should look for one labeled something like Meal Plan, Board Basis, or Included Meals. Booking.com categorizes meal plans in various ways, but our focus today is on securing a place with breakfast included. Once you find the appropriate filter category, click on Breakfast Included, or any similar option that denotes the inclusion of breakfast in the room rate. Applying this filter serves as an efficient way to narrow down your search results. It not only highlights those accommodations that provide the convenience of starting your day with a meal on-site, but also potentially offers significant savings, allowing you to allocate your budget to other exciting parts of your trip. Applying this method will streamline your hotel selection process on Booking.com, ensuring you find the perfect accommodation with the amenity we all love: breakfast. I hope this guide helps you have an enjoyable, hassle-free booking experience the next time you plan your travels. Safe travels.